Hello and welcome to Technicforce Tutorials. Today I'll show you how to create notifications in Converti. Let's begin. Now click on the notification button. Create a new notification. You can choose category-wise: stream, counter, information, chats, pop-up and collector, and lastly feedback. In all notifications, you'll get all the pre-designed notifications here, and you can select any of them. Let me show you how to create stream notifications for the demo I am selecting. Create these widgets. You can see there are all notification settings. Click on Design, and you can see the conversion title. You can change the title. You can insert dynamic variables from your conversion data. Example: if you have a field named full_name, you can use it as open curly braces full_name close curly braces. Now go to the Notification Data tab and click on it. You can click on Import Data. Now click on Single Import Data. Enter the field name and values. After that, submit. Now go to Recent Sales Pop Notification. Add field shortcodes. Now import multidata. Download the sample Excel file to upload bulk data. You can upload 10K of data at once. Now click the drag and drop file. Click on Import Data. You can see multi-data added. Now go to Recent Sales Pop Notification. Version description. You can change the description. Next is the image URL. Add any image URL you want. The next one is the notification URL. The URL you want the user to go to after clicking the notification. The next one is Open on a new tab. If you enable it, it will open in a new tab. If you disable it, it will remain here. The next one is how many conversions are to be shown. You can drop down the value. The next one is in between delays. You can enter the number in seconds. The next one is to randomly rotate data. You can show the data randomly by activating the option. The next one is time. You can optionally show or remove the time information on the widget. Now click on the Trigger drop-down module. If you can unbalance trigger button notifications on all pages, you can disable trigger button notifications on the full URL page. Similarly, you can add a new trigger. Now display trigger, select any option delay, exit intent, and scroll %. Next, you can select delay and enter the number in seconds. Next, you can select exit intent. Next, you can scroll %, enter %scroll. Now display frequency. All the time, once per visit session, once per browser. The next one is, if unable to display on small screens, display the notification when the pixels available are smaller than 768 px. The next one is, if unable to on large screens, display the notification when the pixels available are bigger than 768 px. Now click on Trigger drop-down modal, Display Duration, and display the notification. Set -1 to display forever. Next on is the display position. Top left, top center, top right, middle left, middle center, middle right, bottom left, bottom center, bottom right. To enable the display close button, now click on Customize and Branding. Here, you can fill in the color, title color, You can fill in the color in the title. Description color. You can fill in the color in the description. Background color. You can fill in the color in the background. Background pattern. From here, you can select the background pattern. Border radius. From here, you can select the border radius. Border width. From here, you can enter the border width. Border color. You can fill in the border. Enable to display shadow. You can enable or disable the shadow around the edges of the notification. Entrance animation. From here, you can select the entrance animation. Exit animation. From here, you can select the exit animation. Now click on Webhook and the Auto Capture drop-down modal. Now, in Webhook Trigger, copy this URL and paste it on your webhook. Next is Unable to Auto Capture Data. Select any option, then enter the URL. To add a new rule, click the button. The next one is the Select Widget version. The plugin will be disabled when Webhook is enabled. Similarly, webhooks will be disabled when plugins are enabled. I am now unable to activate status and save it. Notification settings were successfully saved. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.